Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your Bluetooth audio delay on your Chrome. Like if you're watching YouTube or something and your audio is going out of sync when you use wireless headphones, earphones, or AirPods, and you can feel the lag. Now, in order to fix that, all you need to do is just simply first of all open the Chrome. Here you need to search for the web store. Once you search the web store, open this first website. Inside the web store, you need to search for an extension that is Black Sync. Once you search it and open it, now here you need to add this extension to your Chrome. Once you have added it, just simply open the extension section here and you will find the Black Sync there. Click over here and here you will find this interface. You just simply need to fix it. You just simply need to turn it on by setting up the frequency, like turn it on from here, and it will ask you to refresh the page. You can control the latency meter from here. I would recommend you to set it to 200 ms. It will fix your latency issues. And now refresh the page that you're watching YouTube or something else, and it will fix the delay issues on your Bluetooth headphones. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.